Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on day. As the Christmas time I draw near, I went down a memory lane. Uno remember back in the day, so my little thing them where we used to play with a speakney. And we used to look forward to it. I remember the boy then used to play with them like a shiny marble. And if you get any new marble, hey, you feel good in your spirit. Yes, man. Me used to see like a boy them in my district I play with them marble. And then yo. And not to mention them like a backstroke them when they used to mix from a juice box. And then they would have used the buckle cork for the tire them. Hallelujah. Let me tell you, so we come a long way, We come a long way. And then now, I remember all the balloon them. One eye balloon when we used to love, I like a skinny one when you blow it and it long so. And you get some people that just spin it round and tie and then I'll put it on their head. Me say, why you balloon bust, And if your balloon bust, sometimes someone we would have ball. And then, I remember the gig, man, when them boy make them gig and when they flash you out so and it a pin in the dirt. Lord, they brought joy to his soul, And then how quick we forget the Fifi. You remember Fifi? Lord, I used to blow Fifi and make nice. Sometimes my granny used to say, Andra, tap it nice with that sitting there, man. But let me tell you, them there was real memories. You see, all Dolly, we used to make dolly from mango seed. And me used to have see one woman in my district take a beer on buckle and then she would have take old clothes and kind of soap on it. And that would turn in a dolly, We were very innovative back then, And on top of that, you see, if anybody in our district get one little dolly from foreign, me remember one little girl in my district, they get one dolly and the dolly, yeah, it could have blink. Me say, what a fascination. Nobody wouldn't left Lizzie yard. Everybody want to see little dolly with the two little yard and we are blink and I go so. I tell you something. But, you see, as me sit on here and me reflect, Christmas is just not the same. Picnic nowadays, if they give them iPad, tablet, iPhone, Xbox, PS4. No Christmas not going for them. On top of that, they play inside. We used to play outside. No wonder we used to so fit like a fiddle. Hallelujah. Make I tell you, dear Jesus, I give thanks for the way I grew up. And as I reminisce today and whole time Christmas in a Jamaica, I miss it because it is the simple things that enhanced our happiness. Drop a line below, my people, and make me hear for no memory of any little ties one used to play with growing up. And look here, you see what me have here. So me jacks them, yes man. Throw out me jacks and pick up two and not touch none. Who remember jacks? As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon or evening, any which part of the world on a day.